Hello students, good morning. Today I will explain in English about the Abu Ben Idham poem, which is composed by Lee Hunt. Okay. First of all, I would like to tell about the Lee Hunt. Lee Hunt is an English poet, an English writer, and an English essayist. Okay. Students, this poem is a parable. A parable you can say means any poem which has a moral lesson. It is called parable or fable. Okay, and in this poem you will know the moral about service to man is service to God. Those person who serve the man who serve to God. Okay, and this poem has a setting and it is set in the Middle East. Okay, students. Now, students, first of all, I would like to tell you the summary of the poem. Okay, summary of the poem. Abu Ben Idham is sleeping peacefully. Okay, Abu Ben Idham was a saint, was a priest, and all the time he was thinking about how to do the good of the people. So peacefully he was sleeping. He wakes up and sees an angel writing something in a book. Okay? He wakes up. All of a sudden, at night, he wakes up. Why? He sees an angel writing something in a book. The room in which Abu Ben Idham is sleeping, it is full of light, moonlight, white light, and among the light he sees an angel, and angel has a golden book, okay, and he is writing something in the book, and the angel is writing the names of the people who love God. Okay? Abu asks angel what he is writing. Okay? Abu inquires and is told that his name is not on the list. Abu asks angel if his name is written in the book. The angel replied that there is no his name written in the list. Okay? Abu makes a request the angel to put his name on the list of people who love their fellow man. The angel listens him and does so, and then he vanishes, disappears somewhere. The next day, the angel reappears and shows Abu Ben Idham the names of people who have been blessed by God. Okay? And in previous, I have told you that service to man is service to God. Service to man is service to God. So this moral is revealed here. Abu is pleasantly surprised to see that his name is at the top of the list. Okay? Okay, students, so let us start. Abu Ben Idham, may his tribe increase. Means Abu wishes Adam wishes there be more good men like him. Okay? Abu Ben Adam is a saint. He does good for the people of the country. So he wishes or he prays to God that may there be more good people on the earth. Okay? And students, he was sleeping peacefully. Always he was thinking about the good of the people. So he was sleeping. Okay? So one night he was awakened. Abu Ben Adam was awakened by bright light, moonlight. Okay, he was awakened from deep dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room. What did he see? He saw moonlight entering in his room. Okay, students, a person sleeps in the room, and when a person goes to sleep, he turns off the light, so the room fills up the darkness. In the dark room, Abu Ben Adam sees moonlight, white light, bright light, making the room rich with bright light. Okay, and like a lily in bloom. There is a beautiful simile is used there, like a lily in bloom. What is simile? Simile is a comparison between two different objects which have at least one point in common. Okay? And the words of comparison as like to are used. So in this line, like word is used for comparison. So lily flower has been compared to the white light. An angel writing in a book of gold. Okay? What does the Adam see? Adam sees the angel is writing something in the golden book. Okay? Abu Ben Adam, may there be more good men like him. One night he awoke from deep dream of peace and see within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom. Okay? Bloom, that is devotion, holiness. Okay? An angel writing in a book of gold. Angel, divine thing, divine person, you can say. And a book of gold, richness of those who love God. Means the book is rich of those who love God. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold. Good man, fears none. Good man fears none. अच्छा आदमी जो होता है किसी से भी भयभीत नहीं होता, डरता नहीं, चाहे एंजल हो चाहे कोई भी हो, उससे भयभीत नहीं होता है. तो एक्सीडिंग पीस हैड मेड Ben Adam bold. he became bold, courageous. He was not afraid. Adam was not afraid because he was a good man. He was not afraid of anyone. And to the presence stands for angel. Okay? And to the angel in the room, Abu ben Adam said, "What writest thou? What writest thou?" It means, what are you writing? आप क्या लिख रहे हो? The vision, angel again raised its head. Okay? And with a look made of all sweet accord. Sweet accord means होता है compliance students. Okay? So with sweet accord he answered. The angel answered. The names of those who love the Lord. Means only Abu could see the angel because he was a good person, he was a good man. Okay? Sweet accord. He could feel the presence. Okay? And spiritual aspect of the angel is described here. Okay? The names of those who love the Lord. Lord means God. Then Abu ben Adam asked the angel, "What? And is mine one?" Said Abu, "Is there my name written in your list?" Angel replied, "Nay, not so." Okay, replied angel. Abu spoke more low. Abu became upset, troublesome, disappointed, but politely, cheerily means politely, he said, "What? I pray thee then." Pray means request. I request you, then I request you. If my name is not in your list, then I request you to write me as one that loves his fellow man. Means I am the one person who loves the fellow man. And who are the fellow men? Fellow men are the children of the God, because God has made us. The angel wrote and vanished. Angel writes his name and he disappears from there. The next night, it came again with a great awakening light. The next night, the angel came with enlightenment, awakening light, you can say, which can be understood very, very easily. Okay? Means the light was so brighter, more brighter than ever, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. Angel showed the names, the persons in his book, and he showed. Okay? And lo, Ben Adam's name laid all the rest. Means when Abu saw the list, he was surprised. Why was he surprised? He was surprised because his name was on the top of the list. Okay? His name was written on the top of the list. He was the first person who loves the human being. Okay? So, love to people is love to God. If you want to serve the God, you have to serve the people. Okay? Thank you, students.